Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, and this is the mess I need to get sorted out today, and I need to do my seasonal shift of my station. So everything that's here needs to go over here, and everything that's here needs to go over there. And I've got to add in Scott's workstation into the mix. So I'm going to work it up to where we can work next to each other. And I've got a plan. But for right now, let's go look at flowers. The azaleas are starting to bloom here at the cottage. And I've got a couple of varieties. And in this pot, that little vine carried over, and it's got the cutest little purple flowers. I think it's some form of periwinkle, but I could be wrong. And then this is the flowering almond that I had a spare, and I'm keeping it in that bucket until we get settled somewhere. That was the stuff, I can't remember. Adele told me what it is, but it's doing its thing. And then another azalea. There's a white azalea. The white ones look pretty just when they're just opening like this. Once they start going bad, they turn brown and they don't look so hot. There's a gardenia bush behind that. And then the azaleas over where they don't get as much sunshine, they're not as open as far. But what I really wanted to show you guys is this pink dogwood. See, we've got a couple white dogwoods too, but the pink one is so pretty. I don't know if you can tell. It's really, if you can get above a dogwood tree, the blooms are so much more magnificent. The birds are all happy this morning. I'm going to walk up here so maybe I can take a video back of that dogwood's really pretty there. See if you can catch the pink. See the pink dogwood? Isn't it gorgeous? And Irene, I think, called it a bush, and it's very much a tree. The dogwoods here are trees. And look at that pretty unit coming this way. Look at that. She's blooming too. Hi. Come on. Callilicious. Hi, Callie. There's my girl cat. She keeps all the boy cats around here in line. She's in charge. They do her bidding. So, and I need to mow the lawn here. Yep. Anywho, here we are. Birds are singing. There was a heavy fog this morning. So, I guess I better go and tackle that room. They're delivering cement next door. So I hope everybody has a wonderful Monday, and I'll see you at Lisa's later. Bye.